Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to contact seller on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device, and here what you want to do is find seller that you want to contact, but before that you want to find item that you are interested in. So let me show you an example. Let me open random product description, and here at the bottom you should see this message icon that looks like this, and this will redirect you to private messages with this seller, and here you can type your message in this box and wait for the response. That's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.